press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press on to get our notification.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. Today, guys, you want to go for a driving logo. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please subscribe, please. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to notify whenever I drop a new video. So now let's go for today's work. Click on your pixellab application. So cancel, delete this. I'll pick out of my project. Okay, so the logo I use on the driving stuff, I will provide it in the link on the description below. Download it there. So I pick out of my project. I don't want to waste more of our time today because I want to try a new mock-up and I don't know how the mock-up will take much time. So I have to make everything fast. New project, my project rather. So let me just select a driving logo here. Let me select this. I love this. So now the logo I use here, don't worry, I will leave it in the description below. Here we go. Then transparent it. So save as image, save to gallery, then go to your Photopea, go to your Chrome and type photopea.com. So file, open. Let me just select any mockup today. Download. Let me just select. I'm just use the name to select 3D text event. I think I've already used this. Gosh, I don't even know which one to use today. Let me check this box. Let me check this box. If the mockup is not okay, I'll select another one. Because I just go to the site and download I just download many mockups. So should we use this? I don't think so. I'm not using this. Photopea.com. It's driving logo. So now let's select a mockup file for our work. File, open, download. Then go to your download here, then select the mockup file. Select the mockup file. Okay. Here is the one I want to use. Here is this one I want to use today. It's now loading. It's loading. So here is our work. Here is our mock-up. So press layer, smart objects and open. So file, open and replace. Download. So go to your image and select pixellab work. So reduce the size. Delete the first layer by pressing this icon. So from your file, say smart objects. After you done that, you wait till a load finished. So now you press here. So we are waiting for the mockup to convert. Please watch this tutorial to the end in case watch the tutorial to the end for you to understand everything. This mockup is quite different from the other one we have been doing since this day. So I don't want it to be like magic to you. Watch it to the end. So the mockup is still loading. So please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe, please. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share and comment. It's about to mock up, so we have to wait. We get no idea. Yes, here is our mock up. If you notice here, the glass mock-up is somehow too reflective. So now all what you have to do is just to press your leg. So here you reduce you press this eye icon. So let's check it like this. Can you see? It still remains some stuff. So let's get down here and press the eyes icon. Press the eye icon. I'm sorry guys. So now click on the eyes icon till the work perfect. Can you see the work is coming to what we want right now? Is almost there. So just I think it's remaining only one. Click on sorry, not this. Check. Okay, I think it's okay right now. So press file, export as PNG, then export as PNG, then save, download. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe. This is a new logo with the text from Alex Graphics Design. So join my group in the description below. I've leave my group link there. Join my group link. Join my group. I've already left the group link in the description below. Join the group right now. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial with another hot cake.